Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of my new listings. This is a beautiful 2022 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. So what we're going to do, we're going to go through the boat. I'll point out some of the high features. This particular boat was purchased new from MarineMax in Venice. We'll go through some of the options as well. This is the beautiful Sea Ray blue right here. You can see a lot of natural lighting. The cabin, which works out very well. This particular one is the coupe, so it's got full glass all the way around. Simrad on the hardtop right there, radar. And up front, of course, your windlass stainless steel anchor. Boat has been very popular because it does give you a very comfortable cabin for cruising, but it also gives you a lot of room up front. So if you're cruising down the ICW, you want to get some sun and stuff like that, you still have a beautiful cabin, but you also have a lot of seating area right here. So that's why the boat's been very popular. So some of the really nice options on the boat has your full aft sunshade right here. That works out very, very well, especially in the hot summer. Jump aboard. And she's powered with preferable V8 power. These are Mercury JPOs, 67 hours on them. You can come on in if you like. And this one does have the Brunswick Passport Premier warranty, good through I believe 5 of 28. As you can see, the boat is spotless, very, very good condition. This one has the more desirable color for the Sea Dek. Lots of storage back here. Our shore power is going to be over there. I guess I can show it to you real quick. So for your dock lines and fenders and stuff like that, this boat does have your shore power cords. It also comes with the 50 amp splitter. So if you're at a dock or something like that, they only have twin 30 amp, you will have your 50 amp splitter. Very, very spacious cockpit right here. Got storage underneath all the seats. Another benefit of the Outboard, it's underneath here, the huge engine compartment. So that's one of the benefits of the Outboard. Number one, lower cost of maintenance. Number two, draft. Number three, performance. Number four, it gives you so much more room. So this table right here, this is your teak table. You can have it in this position, also drops down, makes into a filler cushion. On our starboard side, we have the grill right here, which works out nice. So if you're out with the family, you know, want to make some lunch or something, that works out good. Isotherm refrigerator right here, and very comfortable seating. As far as the seating goes, this goes fore and aft right here, so it gives you a couple more options there for kind of relaxing. So let's head over to the captain's area. So this has your 2 bucket seats right here, very, very comfortable. And this boat, it said JPO, it's joystick piloting. So with this, you can turn it to the left, you can turn it to the right. It makes it very, very easy to dock the boat. Incorporated in this is going to be your autopilot and also a function called Skyhook. So Skyhook's designed, if you're sitting still waiting for a bridge, getting your dock lines put together, you can push that. The engines will work with and against each other to keep the boat stationary, which is very nice. So digital throttle and shift right here, and this is their new style binnacle. This particular owner relocated the Simrad right here, so it's much, much easier to get to. Inco auto drive tabs right here, and then we've got radar, GPS, chart plotter, and they've done a really good job with the dash as well as far as the acrylic's concerned. So we'll go to the bow, and I touched on this before. So lots of seating here at the bow. Once again, the Sea Dek looks great. And we do have full canvas for the bow as well, which works out very, very nice when you're storing the boat. And of course, that's the canvas right there. Another benefit of the full windshield is you don't have any issues with all the isinglass and things like that. We already pointed out our aft sunshade. We've got our wings to the side, and also a full aft drop curtain comes with the boat, just doesn't have to be on it. So let's take a look at the cabin. So going down below, I really like the color combination right here with the woods. This is going to be your dinette area. This drops down and makes into a filler cushion. A filler cushion goes in. Main distribution panel is to the right here, if you want to take a look at that. Keep on going around, turn to the right. This thing right here, there you go. So that's going to be where you can crank your generator, 110 volts and 12 volts. Side here, we've got our isotherm refrigerator. We do have additional storage there, of course, your microwave. And then we'll head to the aft cabin. So back here, if you've got extra guests or something, or just want extra room for storage, this works out very, very nice. As you can see, the boat is spotless, and these actually pull in and make another berth. We do have storage in the back on both spots. Then I'm going to head this way. Enclosed head. So this is your vacuum flush head system right here. So this has overboard discharge, dockside discharge, runs off the water on the boat, and then this is going to be your shower as well. So hot and cold running water. Of course, the boat does have a generator, and I think we have like 11 hours in the generator. That generator is also covered on the Passport Premier warranty. So you can also take a look at the boat at MarineMax.com, Boat Trader, Yacht World. I'll have about 30 pictures, all the optional equipment and additional equipment that comes with the boat. So again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice, and to recap, 2022 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer, triple engines right here. And one thing I didn't mention, with the triple engines, you have a larger fuel tank for better range. So I didn't mention that before. If you like additional information, feel free to give me a call. My number is 941-376-3345 or jeremy.bradshaw@marinemax.com. Thanks for taking the time. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.